Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video or vlog is about something which is very rare in Korea, and this is also very rare to buy because that thing is really expensive. So can you guess what that thing is? I can show you the packing. This is mango. Yes, it's mango, and this mango is from Peru, not from Korea, because Korea doesn't have this special fruit. And as you know, I'm from Pakistan, and Pakistan is really famous for mangoes. Varieties of mangoes in Pakistan, I will tell you their names later. But before that, let me tell you the price of this mango. You know how much is it? Actually, I bought 3 mangoes, and one I just gave to my house owner because she just came here, talked to me, and then I just gave her to eat that mango, and she said, "Oh, you're giving me mango?" She was like surprised, and she was not taking it because in Korea mango is really expensive. So it was like I am giving her a diamond or what. So she was like refusing, she was not taking. But I said, okay, you can just take, I had 2 more to eat, so just take it. And she was so happy to accept this mango. So these three mangoes were of around $10. But if you were in Pakistan, or if I was in Pakistan that time, mangoes are not that expensive because Pakistan has their own mangoes, and also Pakistani's national fruit is also mango. So you can imagine we have so many mangoes there and so many varieties. So let me tell you the names. Chosna, Sindri. Sindri means the mangoes from Sindh. Chosna is something like you squeeze the mango and then eat it. And Langra, Dasehri, Anwar Ratul, Saroli, Samar Bahish, Tota Pari, Fajri. I never heard these kind of names before. Neelam, Alfonso, Almas, Sawal, Surkha, Sonera, and Desi. There you can imagine, like, we have so many mangoes, and each mango has their own name and own taste. So one more important thing I am going to tell you is normally when we eat mango in front of somebody, we try to eat it in a very formal way, right? Like we just remove all the skin first and then slice them in a cubes, and we try to eat it with fork. But when I was in my country, the traditional way of eating mango is just eat mango with your hands. Just try to cut them apart and then eat it with your hand. So I will show you how I eat mango in my home, or how my country's people they eat mango, especially in Sindh, because it's more tasty when you eat mango by using your hands and try to eat it with the skin. I mean, not the skin, but you know. And then let's start in a very informal way. I will show you. We just take this piece of mango, and no fork or anything, just it looks funny, but when you are in your home, you can eat it privately, so nobody can see your weird faces. But I'm just showing you. Romy also wants to eat mango, but he's already mango, so you don't need to. the taste is really good. But Pakistani's mangoes are special. Finished! I have finished one mango, full mango, by eating in a traditional way. And that's it. This is my today's video. Hope you enjoy. And for those who didn't subscribe me, just go and subscribe my channel and let me know if your country has mango or not. Till then, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye, Romy.